In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new blog post using CambioExpress. Here's an example of a blog. You can see the multiple posts down the side or down the middle, and then on the side you can see links to those posts. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into CambioExpress. So I'll open up a new tab or new window and go to CambioExpress, and I'll log in. And then the first thing I will do once I'm logged in is I'll click on extensions at the top. Then I'll click over on blog. Now what I'm seeing here is a list of any blog posts that I've already created, and I can see the title, any comments, and then the date it was posted. If I'm going to go and create a new post, I can click anywhere in this table and click add. If I wanted to go in and edit one of these current posts, I would just select one and then click on details. But in this case we're going to create a new post, so I'll click on add. At this point it's pretty straightforward and simple. I'm just going to add a new blog post title, and then I can decide if I want this particular post to use the default settings, which are open, or if I wanted to change it to closed or moderated. This is, I can, in another tutorial I'll show you where these global settings are. And then if I wanted to change the date, I can do that here. If I wanted to add a category or assign this to a category, I can click on these, and if I wanted to create maybe a new category that's not there, I can just create a new category, and then it's there, and I'll assign it. And then anytime you create a new category like this, they'll show up for other blog posts that you create in the future. So once I'm in here, I'll go ahead and add some text. I want to make sure that I go ahead and format this properly by selecting paragraph and get rid of any additional spaces. This will keep the code nice and clean and make it so that it looks formatted like the rest of the website. Now once I click on save, then the blog post will be published. And so if I go back over to here, I can see that new blog post is there. Now let's say you wanted to add an image or something. I can go back in here. Of course, if I had already left this area and wanted to come back, I can just click on that one and click on details. Once I'm in here, let's say I want to add an image on the right hand side of this. I just put my cursor where I want the image to go. I go down here and click on the image icon, and that brings up a little dialog pop-up like this. And I'll go select an image that, in this case, they already have on the server. Otherwise, you could click on the Upload tab and upload an image. I'll just make it easy and select on this right here. And I can add a description here. And then if I wanted it to be, in this case, I wanted to get it right aligned like that. Then I click on Insert. Now when I hit Save, I go back to the blog, hit Refresh, and then you see the images there. And that's how you create and manage blog posts.